Sa kalagitnaan ng kasikatan ng ating pambansang kamuo Manny Pacquiao sa dibisyon na lightweight at super lightweight, ito ay dahil nga po sa paglimas nga nito sa mga kilabot at notorious na kinakatakutan sa dibisyon na ito tulad ni Ricky the Hitman Hatton. At si David Diaz.
Right on the chin.
Dahil nga dito ay tuluyang tinakbuhan at kinatakutan si Manny Pacquiao mula sa naturang dibisyon na ito, na dahilan upang mapilitan na nga na umakyat sa mas mataas na timbang si Pacman upang makahanap pa ng mas matitinding boksingero na kayang tumapat sa natatangi nga nitong lakas. At sa pagkakataon ngang ito ay ang pambato ng taga Puerto Rico na si Miguel Cotto ang sumalubong sa ating pambansang kamao upang pigilan ang nooy namamayagpag na kalakasan nito. Sa mga hindi po nakakalam, noong mga panahong yon ay si Cotto po ay ang hari mula sa dibisyon na welterweight. Likas po itong lumalaban at tinaatrasan sa timbang na 141 pounds. Ayon kasi sa mga batikang analyst noon, ang lakas daw ni Cotto ay halos katumbas ng isang middleweight boxer o 160 pounds. Kaya naman, bago ang salpukang Pacquiao at Cotto, ay sinabi ng mga ito na mahihirapan at maaaring matulog sa lona ang noon ay number 1 pound per pound boxer na si Manny Pacquiao. Pero bagamat may mga nagsasabing mahihirapan si Pacquiao kay Cotto, ay marami rin namang naniniwala na mapapabagsak ito ng ating pambato. Dahil noong mga panahon na yon, ay si Pacquiao ang nangunguna pagdating sa usaping pinakamabilis na boksingero sa era na ito. Ngunit ang banat ni Cotto ay hindi raw uubra ang bilis ni Pacman pagdating sa kanya, dahil raw umano mas mataas ang ring IQ niya kumpara dito, na ang ibig sabihin ay bobo at puro lakas at bilis lang ang alam ni Pacquiao sa pakikipaglaban at hindi ito gumagamit ng utak. May kartada si Miguel Cotto ng mga panahon na iyon na 34 wins, 27 knockout at may isang talo lamang. Samantalang ang ating pambato ay may kartadang 49 wins, 37 knockouts at 3 talo lamang. Round 1 ay nagpakitang gilas agad si Cotto. Pinapakita nito na hindi lang bilis at lakas ang kailangan upang manalo sa isang
Managed to Cotto, but he's beating him right now with the jab. Body shot by Cotto, or excuse me, by Pacquiao. Left hand body shot. Cotto ducking and slipping, and now tries to get a body shot in on Pacquiao. Cotto ducks his back.
Sa pagsapit naman ng round 2, ay ipinakita na po ni Manny Pacquiao kay Cotto ang tunay na definisyon at kahalagahan ng mabilis na mandirigma.
There's the speed advantage for Pacquiao. Cotto will keep going there anyway. Good left hook by Miguel Cotto. Cotto just missing a bigger guy. Now Pacquiao starting to, he's gonna punch so far, and he's gonna see if Pacquiao can take his stuff. Pacquiao hits Cotto with a hard left hand, and another, and another. But Cotto can take the punch. He's not being knocked back.
Sa round 3 naman mga kaibigan, ay mas lalo pang tumaas ang speed level ni Pacquiao at dito nga rin ay nagsimula na ang pagdodomina ni Pacquiao dito kay Miguel Cotto.
And he landed a little right hook in there, and follows up. Pacquiao beating Cotto to the punch now. No blood. 3 hard body shots for stop throwing. Cotto lands the jab. Now, when Pacquiao throws, Cotto goes into a little step because of all the speed he's seen.
That Spanish rhythm to go in and out.
Left hook countered by Cotto landed.
We've seen Cotto in these situations before, and he comes back. Pacquiao getting hit in recent fights.
Uppercut snaps Pacquiao's head back.
Mula naman sa middle rounds, mga kaibigan, ay tuluyan na ang pinaglaruan ni Pacquiao si Miguel Cotto. Ipinamukha ni Pacman dito na hindi lang bilis at lakas ang pinapakita niya sa laban na ito. Ginagamitan niya din ito ng utak.
At this what? He's catching every punch that Cotto throws.
Well, the reason he's taking a breather,
Bigger, but they're not known for being visible.
He may have gone to the ropes to let Cotto throw, thinking he could counter him with something big.
think
Now it's
so.
Cotto, his back is against the rope, and he fights his way off.
hurt by that knockdown.
Left hand that caused the knockdown. Right hook helped, but the left landed right.
Jay out from an angle to score that. Now there he goes again. Weird punches and weird angles. You can assist standard punches.
Straight left hand lands Pacquiao. Cotto backs off again. Cotto just misses with a big left hook that would have done damage. Pacquiao peppering one with punches.
And then some.
And Cotto is beginning to retreat constantly. And he almost went down again. Left hand shot by Pacquiao. And Cotto tries to finish the round.
But he landed it a few times.
Because he can hurt you with punches and not even standard punches.
And when Cotto tactical retreat. Absolutely. Just as he was in the late rounds against Margarito. The decision to just box is yielding better results than the earlier firefight. And now Pacquiao's backing off again. Got him against the ropes. Dropped 12 rounds. Probably this fight would be taking place. Cotto almost landed a big left hand shot. Lands off Pacquiao's cheek. Pacquiao gets right up under Cotto's chin. Uppercut. Cotto backs into the corner. He's in big trouble now. The fight could end in a matter of seconds. Holding on.
He can't hold us down. We can't see the punches coming.
Trying to counter. Reddy's been pretty good at this.
If they're thinking one more, then this is the time. You should do it one more. Go out on his turn. What would the result of the fight be? He said Pacquiao would still win.
Does he want to close the show?
I think that Pacquiao's going to go in for the kill.
Pacquiao is looking for KO 11 right here. Cotto's still fighting.
Hopefully at the end of the fight,
Sa pagsapit naman ng round 12 mga kaibigan, ay matatapos na sana ang laban. Ngunit si Cotto ay wala nang ginawa kundi ilagan at takbuhan ang mga suntok ni Pacquiao. Halos maligaw na rin ang pagmumukha nito sa sarili nitong dugo, kaya naman hindi na nakatiis ang third man in the ring at itinigil na nito ang laban.
Bayless does his duty.
Sa huli ay natapos ang laban via 12-round stoppage at ito ang pampitong dibisyon na nakuha ni Pacquiao matapos nitong maagaw ang WBO World Welterweight title at ang bonus na WBC Diamond Welterweight title. Ano ang masasabi nyo dito mga kaibigan? I-comment nyo na at pag-usapan natin yan.